We're in video number 2, which 10:07 right now, which is half an hour into the morning session on the ES. We're on April 24th, 2025. Got a little consolidation, waiting for a breakout. Took a couple of trades. Took one loss. Total of 3 trades today. 2 wins, 1 loss. That's trading. We got a lot of consolidation here, so I'm just going to wait for a nice break. Then a retest, probably back to about this level right here. Then when we're going to go long, we have a VWAP over here. I'm going to add a couple of EMAs, exponential moving averages. I'm going to do a 9. Period. Got some buyers coming in here. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. Let's see if we could duplicate this. I don't know if we could duplicate it here. Now we'll just go to another one. Exponential. And we'll do a 34. And we'll make this one, let's make this one, I don't know. Let's make it blue. Nope, we'll make this one dark blue. All right. We're definitely bullish here. We're above the EMAs. Got myself a text. What we got here? The VWAP was right about here. We're above the VWAP from yesterday. That looks good. We got a little gap here. See if we can fill it. Fill that little gap. Yeah. See, we come back down to this EMA. It'd be a good long there. Got a lot of sellers up over here. You see on the footprint chart, you got some negative delta coming in. What I would like to see right now, so you got some money coming in here. So if we take a look at what we see here, we got a nice run up. This has been a nice run. It's 40-something points, which the S&P is up about 40 points, 0.75% change. We opened at 08, and the high is 49. So we're pretty much on the top end. So we're not going to go short. I'm looking for longs today. We have these delta moves, just bringing it back down. Then we get these runs up. You take a look at what happened prior. Make a decisions on where you want to be. I like to be above the 9 EMA. You take a look at where the candles are lining up, the bodies. 9 EMA. It's kind of hesitating over there. We may just see a real nice shoot up. That's telling me that we're being trapped. That they're trying to trap the buyers are trying to trap these sellers. The big money coming in here. I don't know. It looks like we had some good volume. Yeah. Trying to manipulate it, trying to get a little liquidity. We got a little double bottom here. My phone's being blown up. And we're 4 minutes into the video. I like to keep the videos 10 minutes or below. Sometimes I can't do that. So we have a heavy volume note here, being that there was a lot of volume up in here, so it could be manipulated. We have a ledge here, very small. We need to break open, break past here. I'd be confident to take that long. We have some delta coming in here, green candle. We got some delta coming in here. I like to go above this candle up here. We have sort of like a double top, came back down. We're going to take a look at this double top. We got a double bottom, come back up. We may consolidate a little bit, then we'll go up. So I'm going to pause the video right here. I'll come back. Oh, we got some delta patterns coming in now. We have the high volume node in here. We have a lot of buying in this area here. We got negative delta here. We got buyers coming. These guys are trapped. I'm going to go ahead and buy. Right there. We have two POCs right where we are right now. I have some delta coming in. We're going to go right about here. See if we touch. Okay, that was decent. That was a few points. Right there, I'm in the green. All right, we'll keep this video at 7 minutes. I got 3 more minutes on this video. We'll see if we have anything else. So far, we're in a positive day. We may have a little consolidation here. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to wait for the break, then come back. May fade the top at this point. You got some candles. You got some wicks here. Now let's think about this. If I open this up, you know, we got, this is two points right in here. You know, when it's like this, it doesn't seem like a lot. You know, it doesn't seem like you have anything, but you do. Remember, these are 4 ticks to a point. A point in the E-mini is worth $50. In the micros, it's $5. Just depends on how many contracts you can do, but you can make a lot of money with the micros. You can make a ton of money, especially when you compound. And I'll probably come out with a video showing that you could start with a $2,000 account and you can make that quick, very fast. All right, we're coming back down here. We're hitting the EMA. I like to stay above this EMA. I really don't like the amount of space between both of these, but we'll see. We'll see how we go. All right, we're just consolidating. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. All right, we're pulling back a little bit, as expected. We take these candles, we put them together, it makes a candle sort of like this. From here to here, 44.75 to 41. You got negative delta. Now with the micros, it's very, very similar to the minis. The only difference is the price. So it's 1/10 the size of a mini contract. So if you could trade the MES and get your experience on the MES on the smaller contract, it's very easy to switch over. It's very linear. You could go right over to the mini contract. You can make some money. All right, but you want to get ahead and you want to refine your system. All right, you got to remain very focused. This is focused work here. You know, especially when you're self-funded. You go to a prop firm, win a challenge, use their money. That's cool. That's the way you want to do it. That's great. You could also do that. You could still do it. You work on the minis. You get yourself a small little account. paper trade it, record it with recording software, review. Markets have been good to me. No FOMO, just patience. Okay, this is a very serious, see what we got right here? We have a bunch of, we can't get past there. All right, so I like to see some volume come in. Let's see if we can put on a, let's see if we could add a little bit of volume there. There we go. All right, so that's nice. Well, we use this little volume. Let's see if we could set up the, I don't need it that high, right? We don't need it that high. Let's see that. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see how that works. That's good. All right, there you go. Went to the high. Seeing a little bit of resistance there. And you got a lot of buying coming in. Sellers are trying to keep this down. You see the way? You see this? There's a lot of sellers up here. A lot of sellers here. All right, you got these bears. Now this is important. There you go. That's what I want to see. Now I want to see a little pullback. No FOMO. I'm all new to this recording stuff, so you gotta bear with me. I'm not really set up for it, but all right. So what do we have? This is the pullback I want to see. You got a double top. We got buyers that are coming in. You got some more selling coming in. This one's going to be fast. We should see a pop. From what I see buyers coming in. Still got a little bit of selling. All right, that was a nice little move there. All right, I'm going to get ahead. It's 13:51. I am going to shut this video down. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.